Each one of you is not an individual. You are institutions in yourself, and you have been serving the cause of humanity and the medical profession and helping the patients for years and decades in all forms. Since I have myself association with the medical profession for over 4 to 5 decades now. It is between 4 and 5 decades. So I have seen from very, very close quarters how the members of the nursing profession, how our ANMs and how our other co-workers in the medical profession, they do the way they sincerely work. This is a very, very important year, and 200 years of Florence Nightingale's birthday. In fact, this is the Jayanti year of Florence Nightingale. And it's very difficult to describe Florence Nightingale in words or sentences. All of us, I think, take inspiration from the sincere, dedicated, committed work that she did. And it is in the fitness of things that we are celebrating this year in a big way. Thanks to World Health Organization also, they have dedicated this year particularly for this issue, and especially for the nursing professionals and ANMs and others, midwives. It's a very, very focused year. Although everyone has appreciated the role of the nursing professionals over many years, I don't think there is anybody in the society who doesn't appreciate the role of the nursing professionals. But in this COVID-19 crisis, I think for the first time in the history, maybe it may be in the history of the whole world, not only India's history, but in the history of the whole world, never ever I can either imagine or I have seen or I can think of that 1.35 billion people of such a vast country like India, they will stop all the work at a particular time. They'll come out of their homes and then start conveying their good wishes, blessings, felicitations in all forms.